Have you ever wondered why walking, even if you do it every day, sometimes just isn't enough anymore? You walk, you move, you stay active, yet your legs feel weaker, your balance isn't what it used to be, and getting up from a chair feels harder than it should. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people over 50 believe walking is the best way to stay fit. But here's the truth that might surprise you. Walking, while great for your heart, doesn't train the muscles that keep you strong, balanced, and independent. Hi, I'm Dr. Sophie Lane, and today I'm going to show you 5 smarter moves that work better than walking. Simple exercises that reactivate your strength, stability, and coordination. These movements are gentle, joint-friendly, and proven by research to rebuild the foundation of your body, your legs, hips, and core. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to walk taller, feel steadier, and move with the confidence you had years ago. So grab a chair, take a breath, and let's begin. We start with something simple but powerful, the chair squat. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your chest tall and slowly stand up using your legs, not your arms, to lift your body. Then lower yourself down with control. This might sound basic, but every time you do it, you're strengthening your quadriceps, glutes, and core, the same muscles that help you climb stairs, stand up, and walk safely. Studies show that even just 10 chair squats a day can improve leg strength in adults over 60 by up to 20% in a few weeks. And the best part? You don't need a gym. It's functional. It mimics what your body does every single day. So every rep builds real-world strength. As you rise, imagine pushing the ground away from you. As you sit, imagine lowering yourself gently onto a soft cushion. That control, not speed, is what builds power. Do this move 10 to 15 times a day, and you'll feel your legs getting stronger, steadier, and more dependable with each week. Next, let's train your balance, the silent skill that keeps you upright and confident. For this, you'll do the heel-to-toe walk. Stand tall, place your right foot directly in front of your left, heel touching the toes, then slowly step forward, keeping your gaze straight ahead and your core gently engaged. It sounds simple, but this move challenges your balance system, your inner ear, your eyes, and your muscles all at once. It retrains your brain to stabilize your body as you move, which means fewer stumbles, fewer close calls, and fewer falls. Research from Harvard University found that adults who practiced this walk for just 5 minutes a day improved their balance by 30% within a month. That's powerful, and it takes less time than brewing your morning coffee. If you need support, do it near a wall or countertop at first. As you get stronger, try it without holding on. You'll feel your confidence return, that feeling that your body still listens to you, still supports you, still moves like it used to. Now we target one of the most neglected muscle groups, your hip stabilizers. These small but crucial muscles on the sides of your hips are your body's built-in shock absorbers. When they weaken, you start to shuffle, lose balance, or even develop hip and knee pain. To wake them up, try the standing side leg raise. Stand behind a chair, hold it lightly for balance, and lift one leg out to the side, slow and controlled. Don't swing it, just lift, pause, and lower it gently. This simple movement strengthens your outer hips and thighs, the foundation of smooth, balanced walking. Do 10 reps per side, 2 to 3 sets a day. Over time, you'll notice your steps feel lighter, your hips more stable, and your lower back less tense. Think of it as giving your joints a little relief by letting your muscles do their job again. And here's something I tell all my patients. Strength isn't about lifting heavy. It's about waking up the muscles that have fallen asleep. Now let's move to your core, the powerhouse of your entire body. When your core weakens, your posture collapses, your back aches, and even your breathing becomes shallow. But when it's strong, everything improves. Your balance, your walking, even your digestion. Sit tall on a chair, feet flat, and gently clasp your hands together. Now twist your torso slowly to the right, pause, then to the left. Feel your waist and abdominal muscles working to control the motion. You don't need to twist far, just enough to engage your obliques. Do 15 gentle twists per side. This simple seated move helps reawaken your deep core muscles, the ones that stabilize your spine and keep you upright throughout the day. And here's a secret. A strong core makes every other exercise safer and more effective. It's your body's control center. Without it, even your legs can't perform at their best. Finally, we finish with the move most people overlook, the calf raise. Your calves are like the springs of your body. They propel you forward and absorb impact when you walk. When they weaken, you lose power, balance, and endurance. Stand behind a chair, hold it lightly, and lift your heels off the floor, rising onto your toes. Pause for a second, then slowly lower back down. Do this 15 times nice and controlled. Each rep strengthens not just your calves but also your ankles and feet, your body's foundation for movement. It improves circulation, reduces swelling, and makes your steps smoother and more stable. Within weeks, you'll notice something remarkable. Your legs will start to feel alive again, like they're supporting you effortlessly. You might wonder, why do these simple moves work better than walking? The answer lies in muscle activation. Walking is repetitive and mostly uses the same muscles, mainly your quads and calves, while these 5 moves activate the entire chain of muscles responsible for balance, strength, and coordination. They wake up your hips, glutes, core, and stabilizers, the muscles walking often ignores. And that's exactly what keeps your body strong as you age. Think of walking as a beautiful way to maintain your health. But these smarter moves are how you rebuild it. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm too old for this, or my knees hurt. But here's something powerful I've seen again and again in my patients. It is never too late to start moving smarter. I've watched 70-year-olds regain strength they hadn't felt in decades. I've seen people who used to fear falling start walking with confidence again, and all it took was a few minutes a day. With consistency, not intensity. Because your body still remembers how to move. You just have to remind it. Here is a quick summary of your daily 10-minute Smarter Than Walking plan. 10 chair squats, 5 minutes heel-to-toe walk, 10 side leg raises each side, 15 seated core twists per side, and 15 calf raises. Repeat this routine at least 5 times a week. Within a few weeks, you'll notice changes, more energy, better posture, fewer aches, and a stronger sense of control over your body. You'll move easier, stand taller, and feel proud of what your body can still do. Aging isn't about losing your strength. It's about learning to move intelligently. When you train with purpose, your body responds. It rebuilds. It adapts. It gets stronger. So don't underestimate these simple moves. They're your gateway to a longer, more active, and independent life. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips designed especially for you. And remember, it's never too late to take back your strength, one smart move at a time. I'm Dr. Sophie Lane, reminding you that your best years can still be ahead of you as long as you keep moving with care, intention, and heart. Stay strong, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video.